Welcome. If you're looking to take control of your LinkedIn notifications and stop those constant push alerts for InMail messages, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to disable push notifications for InMail messages on LinkedIn using your PC. Let's get started. First, open LinkedIn in your web browser and log in to your account. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture with the word Me next to it. Click on Me to open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can manage various aspects of your LinkedIn experience. On the left side of the settings page, find and click on Notifications. This section is where you control what types of alerts you receive from LinkedIn, including emails, in-app messages, and push notifications. Now, scroll through the list of notification categories until you find Messaging. Click on it to expand your messaging notification options. Within the Messaging section, you'll see a category labeled InMail. Click on InMail to access the specific notification settings for these messages. Here's the important part. You'll notice options for different types of notifications, including push notifications. To stop receiving push notifications for InMail messages, simply switch the toggle next to push notifications to the off position. That's it. No more pop-ups or alerts on your devices every time you get an InMail message. Remember, you can always revisit these settings if you change your mind or want to fine-tune which notifications you receive. LinkedIn lets you customize your experience so you only get the updates that matter most to you. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, consider checking out more tutorials to make your LinkedIn experience even better.